Good morning, student. Yesterday, one student called me and asked about last question of 3I. Question number 6. 3I. Question number 6. As find the smallest number which when increased by 5 is divisible by each of 24, 32, 36 and 54. So in this case also you can find out LCM of the number, and what is the LCM of the number? After that you can find out that number. After that at last you can subtract 5 from the LCM. So LCM of 24, 32, LCM of 24, 32, 36 and 54. You can find out the LCM. After finding LCM, you can subtract 5 from that LCM. So 24, 32, 36, 54. You can find out LCM. By 2, you can divide it. 12 to the 24, 16 to the 32, 18 to the 36, and 27 to the 54. Again by 2 you can divide. 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, and by 2 27 is not divisible, so you can write as it is 27. After that again you can divide by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 9 is not divisible, you can write as it is 27 also, it is not divisible. After that you can divide again by 2. 3 is not divisible, 2 2 is 4, 9 is not divisible, 27 is not divisible. After that you can see 2 is remaining here, so by 2 again you can divide. 3 is not divisible, 2 1 is 2 and 9, and it is 27. After that you can see by 3 it is divisible. By 3, 3, 9, 27 all divisible. By 3 you can divide. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and 3 9 is 27. After 3 again you divide. 1 1 1, 3 3 is 9. By 3 again you can divide. 1 1 1 and 1, 3 1 is 3. So you can see 2 how many times you can find out LCM. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times. 2 5 times into 3 3 times. 3 3 times. So 2 5 times. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 2 is 32. This value 2 to the 5 equal to 32 into 3 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. 27. So you can multiply 32 into 27. So 32 into 27 you can multiply. 7 2 is 14, 4 1 carry, 7 3 is 21, 21 and 1 22. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 4 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. 864. 864. But in question it is given that find the smallest number which when increased by 5 increased by 5. So if you subtract from that LCM, so that number has been increased, so you can take minus from 864. So smallest number. So smallest number is equal to 864 minus 5. 40 minus 5, 9, 5 here and 8 here. 859. So their time that smallest number will be 859. So in this way you can do as last question number 6. One student called me and told that please sir, question number 6 also you explain. So today I have explained this question. You can do like that. First you can find out LCM of the number. After finding out LCM of the number, you can subtract 5 from the given number. So that will be the smallest number, and that smallest number as it can be the increased by 5 divided by each of the 24, 32, 36 and 54. After that, important properties relating SCF and LCM. So I have solved all the questions of practice, self-practice number 3i. If you have any confusion, you can again ask me, and you can send a request for asking questions. And after that, I am going to explain important properties relating SCF and LCM. Important properties relating SCF and LCM. Means first the properties as first the relation between SCF and LCM. Suppose you have two numbers. You have two numbers and you have found LCM and SCF of the such numbers. So it is found as relation SCF of the number multiply LCM of the number is equal to first number multiply by second number. First number multiply by second number. Second number. First number multiply by second number. Or you can say SCF multiply by LCM is equal to product of numbers. You can also say product of numbers. So this is product of numbers. If you have two numbers, so if you multiply first number with second number, you can find out SCF plus LCM multiply LCM. So this is the relation. If you have here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 terms there. Means you can say one term here, one term here. This one term is multiplied by the two quantities, two things, two math facts. One is HCF, second is LCM. So this is one term, this is one term. So this, the HCF into LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number. If you have first number and you have not second number, but if you have HCF and LCM of the number, so you can find out any number. Suppose you can take any example. If you want to find out SCF, so SCF is equal to, firstly write the product of numbers, upon what is multiplied with HCF, you can divide from that LCM. Vice versa. If you have to find out LCM of the number, also you can write product of the numbers upon HCF. In the place of LCM, it will be HCF. In this way, you can find out HCF or LCM, you can find out. But you have HCF and LCM both, but you have not first number, but you have second number. Means there are 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 3 items, you can find out last 4th items. Anyway, you can find out. Suppose you have first number, but you have not second number. So second number is equal to SCF, that will be dividend. SCF and LCM will be dividend. So SCF multiply by LCM upon, you have to find out second number, so divide from first number. So in this way you can find out HCF or LCM. You can find out first number or second number. There are 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you have 3 items, so you can find out any 4th items by this formula. And this is relation. This is relation between HCF and LCM. You can say this is relation between LCM and HCF. In the exam, if it is asking question, what is the relation between HCF and LCM? So you can write only formula. Formula is HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number. So in this way you can solve the different questions as it is asking in exercise, next exercise, self practice number 3J. As you can see, example number 30, example number 31 also. Example number 30, you can see the HCF and LCM of 2 numbers are 13 and 1989 respectively. If one number of the number is 117, determine the other number. Other number is second number. So as you know already, example number 30. The HCF and LCM of 2 numbers are 13 and 1989. So HCF 13, you can write here HCF is equal to 13 and LCM of the number is equal to 1989. 1989. In this way, one number is 117. One number 117. Find out second number. Second number or other number. Second number, or you can say other number. Same thing. Other number. You can find out. So in this way, other number question mark. Other number question mark. What is other number? Other number means second number. So see, HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number. This is the main formula. You can write as to fill the value, and what should we find out the value, you can find out, or you can set this formula in this way. Other number is second number, means other number means second number. Other number is equal to HCF multiplied by LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM upon first number. This first number is multiplied by second number. So you are finding out other number of second number. It means one number. You can write also first number means one number. No matter. One number. You can write. One number means given number. After that you can set HCF is 13 multiplied by LCM. What it is written? HCF and LCM. You can put the value as HCF is equal to 13 and LCM is equal to LCM 1989 upon one number is given 117. So you can divide the number. You can see that in the table of 13 117 comes or not. You know, table of 13 13th 9th is 13 means the 13th 9th is 117. So in the 13th table 117 comes and by 9 times it goes, so you can cut 117 and you can write 9. 13th 9th is 117 and you can divide 1989 by 9. 1989 by 9 you can divide. 9 to the 18, 1 year, 8 year, 9 to the 18, 0, 9. 9 1 ja 9, 0. It means 221 times goes. If you divide 1989 by 9, you can write 9 1 ja 9 and what comes? 221. 221 9th is 1989. So you can write 221 here, 221 here you can write. So other number will be 221 1 ja 221. So 221 will be the answer as other number. Other number. So other number will be 221. So this way you can solve this example. So today you see the relation and you solve the examples only. And example number 31, you see, can two numbers have 14 as their HCF and 204 as their LCM? Give reasons in support of the answer. Here 14 given, here 204 given. So 14 also even number and 204 also even number. So in this case, as you can find out LCM and HCF, so you can write answer no, because the LCM of two numbers is exactly divisible by their HCF. Here 204 is not exactly divisible by 14. If you divide 204 by 14, it is not divisible exactly. So in this case, remainder will come. So in this way, that question is not true on this basis of the characteristics of LCM and HCF. So you can write no, because LCM of two numbers is exactly divisible by HCF, but here 204 is not divisible by 14. So in this way, this statement is not correct. After that, I will solve practice 3J for today's class.